I'm Jay Stetzer, and I'm here to join you in the assembly from my house to your house, a virtual assembly. So let's get started. You know the song, and I'm not used to singing it as a solo. So if you could help me, I'd sure appreciate it. It goes like this. Creating a caring community, community, community. Creating a caring community. Here at the Harley School, do your best. Take care of yourself. Be kind to each other. Respect all the things and the spaces we use. Creating a caring community here at the Harley School. Thank you.